January 12th, 2021 lesson. 3 cases of Coca-Cola Pop are on sale for 3 for $10 at Mark's. What is the price of 2 cases of pop? So, first of all, we're going to take a look, and it says Coca-Cola Pop is on sale for 3 for $10 at Mark's. Then we're going to need to figure out how much it's going to cost for 2 cases of pop. So if there's 3 cases, remember we're going to put that money on top. So we have, $10 for 3 cases. Now, when we have $10 for 3 cases, we're going to do 10 divided by 3. So now we have $10 divided by 3 cases. 3 goes in, we're going to pop that decimal up. 3 goes into 10 3 times. 3 times 3 is 9. We're going to subtract. 10 minus 9 is 1. We're going to bring down that 0, and we're left with 10 again. 3 goes into 10 3 times. 3 times 3 is 9. We're going to subtract. We're left with 1. Bring down that 0 again. 3 goes into 10 3 times again. That's 10, that is 9. Doop, 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 doop. Come on, go back. There we go. That's going to be, whoa, oh my goodness. That's going to be 1. And then, oh, I did too much. That's 9, which is going to equal 1. So we are going to end up keeping on going. So it is going to be $3.33. That's only for 1 can of pop. We're going to stop after that second decimal. So $3.33. Oh, I'm sorry. That's for 1 case. For 1 case. Now we need to figure out how much it's going to cost for 2 cases. 2 cases. So if this is 1 case, to get to 2 cases, we need to multiply it by 2. $3.33 times 2. 2 times 3 is going to be, I'll do it in blue. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 3 again is 6. 2 times 3 again is 6. The decimal is going to go in boop, boop, 2 spots. Boop, boop, 2 spots. So our answer is $6.66. And that is going to be for 2 cases. So you can put that, and that is going to be our answer. So $6.66 for 2 cases. As long as you have that $6.66, that is absolutely fine. And that is going to be it for our lesson. Great job.